Ever wondered how to tackle the challenges of cloud Terraform scripting? How about using an AI assistant? Today, we're going to explore this fascinating intersection of cloud computing and artificial intelligence. First, let's set the stage. In the rapidly evolving world of IT, cloud Terraform scripting has emerged as a crucial tool. It's part of a broader movement known as infrastructure as code, or IAC, which allows us to automate the management and provisioning of our IT infrastructure. What was once a manual, time-consuming process can now be completed with a few lines of code. And this isn't just about saving time. It's about creating more reliable, scalable, and efficient IT practices. But, as with any powerful tool, Terraform scripting comes with its challenges. It requires a deep understanding of both the syntax and the underlying infrastructure. It can be complex and intimidating, especially for those new to the field. And even seasoned professionals can find themselves tripped up by intricate configurations and unexpected errors. This is where AI assistants come into play. These smart tools can help us navigate the complexities of Terraform scripting. They can automate repetitive tasks, provide intelligent suggestions, and streamline our configurations. They're like having an expert coder by our side, guiding us through the process and helping us avoid common pitfalls. The potential of AI assistants in Terraform scripting is immense. They can not only make our work more efficient, but also more accurate. They can catch errors that we might miss, suggest optimizations that we might not consider, and help us better understand our own code. In short, they can make Terraform scripting more accessible and effective for everyone. So, are you ready to explore this exciting new frontier in IT? Are you ready to see how AI assistants can transform your approach to cloud Terraform scripting? Well, you're in the right place. Now let's delve deeper into what cloud Terraform scripting is all about. Firstly, to fully grasp the potential of AI assistants in Terraform scripting, we need to understand what Terraform and cloud computing are. So let's begin with Terraform. It's a tool designed to simplify the process of managing and provisioning the infrastructure of your IT projects. It does this through a method known as infrastructure as code, or IAC. IAC is a high-level language that allows developers to define and provision data center infrastructure using a declarative configuration language. This language is human-readable, meaning it's easy to understand and manage. It's also machine-readable, allowing for automation, version control, and repeatability. In layman's terms, this means that Terraform allows us to automate the creation and management of our IT infrastructure, which might include things like web servers or databases. This automation leads to increased efficiency and consistency, which is invaluable in a world where scalability is key. Now let's talk about cloud computing. It's a computing paradigm that enables ubiquitous access to shared pools of configurable system resources like networks, servers, storage, applications, and services that can be rapidly provisioned with minimal management effort. Cloud computing is where Terraform really shines. It has providers for all major players in the cloud space, including AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. These cloud platforms play a significant role in modern IT environments, offering a vast array of services that can be used to build and scale applications. Terraform provides a unified interface to these services, allowing you to manage your infrastructure across multiple cloud providers in a consistent manner. This simplifies the management of these services, making it easier for you to focus on building your applications. Understanding these two concepts, Terraform and cloud computing, lays the groundwork for our discussion on AI assistants in Terraform scripting. With this understanding, we can now explore how AI assistants can enhance our Terraform scripting experience. Imagine a tool that automates repetitive tasks, provides intelligent suggestions, and streamlines complex configurations in Terraform scripting. That's what an AI assistant does. These advanced tools are designed to enhance your Terraform workflow, giving you more time to focus on strategic tasks. Now, what exactly is an AI assistant? In the context of Terraform scripting, an AI assistant is a digital tool that uses artificial intelligence to assist in the development and management of scripts. It's like having a personal aide who's always ready to lend a hand. AI assistants are not all created equal. Some are rule-based, designed to follow preset commands and sequences. They're great for tasks with a clear start and end point, but their capabilities are limited by the rules they're programmed with. Then there are AI-driven assistants. These are the game changers. Leveraging machine learning and natural language processing, they learn and improve over time. They're capable of understanding context, making intelligent suggestions, and even detecting potential errors or optimizations in your input. So, how do these AI assistants impact Terraform scripting? Let's look at some case studies. In one instance, a major IT firm was able to reduce deployment errors by a staggering 70% after integrating an AI assistant into their Terraform workflow. In another, a startup managed to cut down their script development cycles from weeks to just a few days, thanks to the intelligent suggestions provided by their AI assistant. But the benefits don't stop at efficiency and accuracy. AI assistants can also optimize resource utilization. For instance, an AI assistant might suggest more cost-effective options based on your script, or alert you to underutilized resources that could be scaled down. The role of AI assistants in Terraform scripting is truly transformative. They're not just tools, but partners in scripting, helping us create better, more efficient scripts. AI assistants can truly revolutionize our Terraform scripting. But how do we use them? Now it's time to get our hands dirty. We'll start by setting up our Terraform environment and integrating our AI assistant. First, let's talk about Terraform. Terraform is an infrastructure as code tool that allows you to automate the provisioning and management of your cloud infrastructure. It's like a magic wand that turns your code into a fully functioning IT environment. And what's even better is that it works across several cloud platforms, including AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud, providing a unified workflow no matter where your infrastructure lives. To get started, you'll need to install Terraform on your local machine. The process is straightforward and well documented on the official Terraform website. Once installed, we want to organize our Terraform projects in a way that promotes efficiency and collaboration. A best practice is to use a version control system like Git to track changes and coordinate work between team members. This way, everyone stays on the same page, and you can easily revert to a previous state if something goes wrong. Now let's breathe some life into our workflow by integrating an AI assistant. This is where the fun begins. An AI assistant is like a helpful sidekick that automates repetitive tasks, provides intelligent suggestions, and streamlines complex configurations. It's powered by machine learning and natural language processing, so it gets better over time as it learns from your interactions. To connect your AI assistant to Terraform, you'll need to follow specific steps depending on the platform your assistant is built on. This could be a popular chatbot platform or a custom-built solution. Don't worry though, the process is typically well documented and involves generating some form of API key or token to authenticate your assistant with Terraform. Once connected, your AI assistant will become an integral part of your Terraform workflow, ready to assist you in creating more efficient and reliable infrastructure code. Great, we've set up our environment. Next, let's dive into writing a YAML configuration file. Crafting a YAML configuration file can seem daunting, but with our AI assistant, it's a breeze. YAML, or YAML Ain't Markup Language, is a human-friendly data serialization standard for all programming languages. It's often used for configuration files and in applications where data is being stored or transmitted. Its key features include a straightforward syntax, nesting capabilities, and the ability to use identifiers and references, making it flexible and easy to read. Let's take a closer look. YAML primarily uses indentation to denote structure, similar to how Python does. This means that spaces and indentation are crucial. Each level of indentation denotes a new level in the structure. Now let's dive into a live coding session. Suppose we want to deploy a simple web server on AWS. We start by defining the provider, which is AWS in this case, followed by the resource type and name. Next, we specify the parameters like instance type, AMI, and the key pair. It's important to note that the structure and syntax can vary based on the specifics of your project. As we construct our YAML file, our AI assistant is right there with us. By integrating AI into our workflow, we can leverage its capabilities to streamline the scripting process. For example, our AI assistant can provide real-time feedback, suggest optimizations, and even catch potential errors. The interaction with the AI assistant is quite conversational. We could ask, "What's the best instance type for a small-scale web server?" And it would suggest options based on its understanding of AWS services and the context of our script. The AI assistant is also capable of interpreting our YAML configuration and generating the corresponding Terraform code. This saves us valuable time and ensures that our code adheres to Terraform's best practices. In essence, AI assistants act as a bridge between our intent and the final Terraform script, making the entire process more efficient and less error-prone. With that, we've successfully used an AI assistant in Cloud Terraform scripting. Remember, practice makes perfect.